my 7. I'm ripping in my 7, my 7, my 7. Okay. I'm flossing in my 7, my 7, my 7. I'm riding in my 7.
So we back with another one. It's your boy, Let's Share Rock 254. Man, you tune in for another one. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Drop down in the comments. Let me know what you think about this Cutlass by Christmas. Y'all see I drew it out like they're real theatrical. Nah, I mean, so now that we didn't identify the Driveshaft that's gonna fit, next thing we're gonna have to do is get some new U-joints. Now, if you look here, let me show you. I'll show you what I'm work with. So if you look at your boot, if you look at your U-joint boot and it looks like that, you might as well just replace it. I'm just keep it a stack with you. This one here, see, there is no boot on it. Let me see if I can find you. Let me see if I can find you an example of a good one. Matter of fact, I got one right here in the bag. I got one here in the bag, but it's not the right size, so don't pay attention to the part number or whatever. I was gonna try to put some heavy duty ass. I was gonna try to put some heavy duty ass joints in there. It's not a bastard one. It needs to go from like a yeah, so it might just have to be a different size. So yeah, that's what you want your boots around the end of your U-joint to look like. That's new shit. New hot shit, old busted shit. So I thought I would take this opportunity to show you guys how to measure your ball joint. I keep wanting to say ball joint. No homo. Pause, all that shit. Alright, I'm gonna try to knock this shit off with one hand, right? So how to measure your ball joint. First of all, you want your ball. Look, when I say ball, y'all say you. Ball, you. Ball, you. U-joints. Fuck. Alright, so this U-joint, basically you want to make sure the U-joint is on a flat surface. After it's on a flat surface, you want to take your caliper, digital caliper, ruler, whatever you want to use. First, I like to measure the overall length. Give me 1 second. Like I said, I'm trying to make it do what it do with like one hand or whatever. So you take your measurement there, which equals like 3.6 something. And then after you have the length that way, you're gonna do the same for the other side. Most joints are about the same both ways. Then the next most important thing is going to be your cap diameter. So we'll just run this right here. When you do this, you also want to make sure that this is flat so that your reading is as accurate as possible. As accurate as possible. Zero that out. Zero. Alright. Take that right there. So that's 1.18 or 30 millimeters. So after you measure your caps and after you measure the width or the length of it, excuse me. Yeah, so after you measure the length and then after you measure the, measure the length, top from here to there, and then after you measure the diameter of the caps, then you have all the information that you need to go to the parts store and ask for the correct ball joint. U-joint, fuck! Alright, so one more way that you can measure it using a caliper. Always zero it out. If you look at these teeth up here, then you put those right there. You measure the inside of there. That's gonna give you about 26, pretty much 27 there. And then when you come back over here to measure, it should be just about the same. These might be two different sizes actually. Let me see. I want to say this one. Yeah, this cap. This cap is about the same size, about 27. And you can see it'll fit. If I was to use this cap right here, it would fit right off in there. So about 27 millimeters there, or you can convert it over to millimeters, which is 27 millimeters. We convert it over 1.06 inches. So I'm running out of time. I gotta take this. I gotta go to work. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just take this Driveshaft with me to work. Take my measurements, order what I need, and then get new U-joints put on here, and then it'll be ready to go in the Cutlass. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. If you got any questions, I don't know everything, man, but shit, I'll help you as much as I can. Pretty much. So, Cutlass by Christmas. Remember, identify your weakness, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone. And y'all, we back again. So I got the Driveshaft for the Cutlass. Took it to work, new U-joints, installed all the way around onto my front and back. Front and back, got the new U-joints, be. So I also went ahead and got the rest of the bolts for the transmission to mount to the engine. On that one, it's like 3 on each side. I want to say, yeah, two on the sides and then an up one, and then 2 on the sides and an up one, and then it's on the block is 1 at the top, but it's no hole for the transmission there. And then this one right here is blocked off on the block, but it's open on the transmission. So you're gonna have basically a total of 5 bolts, 2 on this side, 2 on this side, and 1 right here. So I got the transmission cross member set. Got a couple bolts off in there holding that bitch in place. That one right there is just to kind of hold it, make sure we good there. And then I got the same thing on that side there. So transmission sitting down on there, we good. So the next step would be we put a Driveshaft in. We make sure show y'all. I wasn't exactly sure which straps I was gonna need for the rim. I think I showed y'all in the other video. But now with that, we got the U-joints. Now that we got the U joint in now, and that's the new one that's gonna be in there, and we can go ahead and make sure that it's gonna sit off in there and get it bolted in, man. And then guess what? On to the next one.